Hello and welcome to Fast and Dirty, presented by Harrah's Automotive Center in Fort Pierce, Florida. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to show you how to remove a dent from a fender. This can actually save you a ton of money, depending on your budget, right? Especially expensive fenders that are still kind of cheap made, not cheap to buy. So we're going to show you. This is actually an Audi Fender for a 23-24 A5, I believe. This fender used about 500 bucks. Customer, I already started doing some work on it. The customer bashed in this side, and we're just going to show you how to remove these finer dents. I think you can kind of see it in the glare there, the damage. And we're going to be actually working on the back side right here. You can see some hammer marks and things like that. So we're going to show you how to take some of this out and get it smooth enough to either lay some light Bondo in, or some sort of body filler, and to actually reuse something like this, right? Because again, this fender, like $500. I do have a little bit of time in it, but I mean, if you can spend the time on it, might be worth it. So here we go. So what you want to do is you just want to get yourself on a good surface, that you can hit toward. We have a mat down on here, which is going to help and stuff like that. You can and you should use a body hammer for this. I'm just using a bolt peen. Professional body guys, do not knock me. I am poor. No, I do have body hammers. They're at home, and I don't have access to those right now. But a lot of people that would try to attempt this repair and not know what they're doing would not have body hammers either. So we're going to see how far we can get with just a couple of simple hammers, and kind of go from there. So let's see how it works. So you just want to kind of find your dents and just start kind of working them out. And I had a body guy tell me this a long time ago. You're not trying to move metal quickly. You're trying to suggest where it's going to go, and you're just trying to watch it and follow it and see where it's going. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to try to do that. Again, not a professional body guy. So professional body guys watching this, please don't demolish me. Don't worry, if this doesn't work, this video will never see the light of day. Not unless something really, really funny happens. Actually, that's starting to work, I think. Yeah, it's actually kind of starting to work. Right now, it actually looks, if you can see it live, it actually looks like a bag full of cottage cheese. So, but yeah, that part right there is actually out, right? There's a little hump right there, but that's actually pretty smooth. Let's look at it on the other side. Yeah, so, I mean, still looks like a bag full of cottage cheese, but this body line is actually starting to come back out. And again, that's that little dent that I felt on the other side, but that's actually starting to come back out. We still got one right there, Again, it's not like I'm going to reuse this fender for anything, Didn't I just say we're not going to move metal quickly? Well, I mean, look at that. Right there. Apparently moving metal quickly actually is a thing. That guy Javon that told me that's wrong. I think the problem is, I mean, again, non-professional body guy, but I think that, that the piece was kind of folded a little bit. It's kind of pinching like right there. And I know that I've heard people say that body damage can, like, I guess, like, dents can, like, walk. Maybe that's what they meant by it. You know, that it's walking and curving. So, I mean, I don't know. You know, you can see where the original damage was right here. I don't know. Pick it up a can. Stuff and junk. Actually, it's not doing bad. You know, it's not doing horrible. You know. Bring your car to Harrow's where I'll hit it with a hammer. Oh, great. Don't want to spill my coffee. Move this out of the way. Alright, let's go back to the smaller hammer. See, and it's crinkling back up again right there. So, that has to be done. Because I think what's happening is I'm hitting it and I'm knocking it flat, but this part is folding back in. It's not as bad as it was. I know anybody who's watching this probably like, he is being way too abusive, and arguably I probably am. And again, what I'm actually hoping to do here is get it close, and then maybe we can finish it off with just some body work. Some like Bondo or something. You know, I mean, okay, that's funny. I just hit it really, really hard in the wrong spot. So, apparently this is a funny video. Alright, so there's one spot that I think if we get it out, it'd actually be pretty cool. A hot diggity dog. That's actually working. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to sell this with my signature on it as a piece of art. And when I die, it'll be worth like $40. So, if anyone wants to pay $50,000, when I die, it'll be worth 40 bucks. Like music. Okay, let's see how much this trash looks like trash. Can you see it in the camera? It looks less like trash. There's still a lot of little dents, right? But this body line is back out, right there. I gotta get that part out a little bit right there. But this body line is back together. I could probably actually smooth that off with just a touch of Bondo, right? And this could actually look like a Fender even. Just that one little spot right there. Let's see. Here, I'm gonna bring this in so maybe you guys can see this a little bit better. Take it. And it's right there. Just there. Right there. Step back a little bit. the metal move? Metal moved a little, right? I think we can actually save this fender. Yeah, and stuff in junk. All right, so we were able to do a lot of work on this. Not even a lot. I think right now we're at 13 and a half minutes, almost 14 minutes, right? So 14 minutes, we got about, and you can look at it, we got a lot of it. I mean, and I realize on the camera, you can see it's still got dents in it, still got waves. Does not look great, but this fender was actually totally crushed in. All right, I did do a little bit of work on it before, right? This body line right here, this was actually gone, right? So, and I didn't get it on camera because I was like, no one wants to see a dummy with a hammer. Maybe people do want to see a dummy with a hammer. I don't know. I like seeing dummies with hammers. Maybe that's our next YouTube channel, dummy with hammer. But I mean, honestly, we can smooth that out now. Like, we can save. We can save this Audi Fender. For $1 a month, you can save an Audi Fender from the junkyard. Cue the music where the chick walks around and won't give that kid a sandwich. You know? Keep them hungry. It's better for the show. Alright, so we did it. We successfully beat up a Fender. We're gonna add some more stuff to this video, so you know, maybe we'll do the sanding thing, mabobber, you know, and you know, the highs and the lows or whatever, you know, the thing that they do, you know, the thing. So maybe we'll do that. But yeah, with a hammer, you too can beat up a finely tuned piece of automotive trash. Okay, so that's it for now. We'll see you again on this one.